Welcome to JH. Halaskins.com presents itself as a peer-to-peer marketplace for trading CS2 skins and Steam items, promising competitive prices and secure transactions for the global gaming community. Of course, in the world of online trading, promising and actually delivering are two very different things. While many wonder if the platform is actually legit, let's look at the evidence before you hand over your digital treasures. For starters, the app is available on both the Play Store and the App Store, which suggests it survived the rigorous 5-minute review process of the tech giants. This accessibility is a great start for anyone on Android or iPhone, showing that Halo Skins has passed basic platform checks to earn a spot on your home screen. They are also quite active on social media, maintaining a presence on Instagram and Facebook. This is helpful for staying updated, or at least for having a public place to vent if your trade gets stuck in limbo. To their credit, Halo Skins provides clear guides on how to buy and sell items, which is perfect for those of us who still find the Steam API slightly more confusing than rocket science. It shows a level of transparency and a genuine attempt to help users understand the process. They've even shared a physical address and offer live chat support, proving they actually exist in the real world and aren't just a ghost in the machine. It's always comforting when a company makes it easy to reach them before things inevitably go sideways. However, when we dive into the Trustpilot reviews, the feedback is a bit of a mixed bag. Some users praise the low fees and smooth crypto deposits, while others are less than thrilled about failing liveness checks and the terrifying prospect of handing over Steam session tokens. Apparently, some parts of the site still feel a bit buggy, which is exactly the kind of thrill you want when your money is on the line. So, is Halaskins.com legit? Based on our findings, it appears to be a real platform with a working app and solid support options. However, the technical glitches and data safety concerns mean you should still proceed with a healthy dose of caution, especially when using fiat payment methods. Overall, it looks trustworthy enough. Just try not to lose your shirt while trading your skins. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.